Set for action at the 850. Racing now. And off the inside, Dynamic Verse, the favourite, got away with them. Better pace from out wide, though. Fortnight's going forward, and Ramtastic starting to drive across the face of the field as well. They get about 2 lengths clear to Dynamic Verse, who's off the rail now. 4 away to Hard Stride, and 3.5 then to Dolce last of all. Coming up towards the turn now at the 500-metre mark, and Dynamic Verse strolled up on the outside and hit the front. From over in the middle there was Fortnight and Ramtastic on the rail. They're still 7 lengths clear to Hard Stride and Dolce last of all. 300 to go in the Lightning, and Dynamic Verse race to the lead. Ramtastic's trying to go with it, and they get away then from Fortnight. It's Dynamic Verse in front, beating off Ramtastic, and Dynamic Verse down to the wire wins the Lightning by a length and a half. Ramtastic second, 8 away to Hard Stride, who runs third. Then came Fortnight and Dolce, the tail ender. Dynamic Verse the winner. Number 3 for Matthew Powell and Leonard Mawn. Number 3, Dynamic Verse, the 5-year-old bay gelding by Bill.